Once again, let's talk if Binance are still with Terra Classic or if Binance are giving up on this coin after many months of struggling. The truth is, Binance, they are still standing on their ground. They are still standing firm with Terra Classic. Yes, they promise they are not going anywhere. They will remain. They will keep showing even more support. They say they will keep showing more support than they've been showing before. So this is crypto industry where some coins you must have given up on. Sometimes you see these coins doing well once again. There are some coins a lot of people must have forgotten. Some coins people are scared of investing or trading. Sometimes you see these coins once again bouncing back with full force. You know why? Because there's so many things out, so many people don't know. There's some projects you see all this, you don't know what the way they will affect. And even this particular coin, Terra Classic, have already proven to us that something can be done that can revive this coin even within 7 days. This actually happened out of a few days ago. So Binance, with that recent point where we saw over $258 million trading volume, Binance now believe that yes, if Terra Classic can hit such trading volume on a bullish side, it means with more hard work, with more support, with more good project, with more burning, this coin can even hit $1 billion trading volume. So imagine what will be the market cap when Terra Classic is trading with $1 billion trading volume. So many things will really change. This is why they are really giving all their best, all their support. They are not giving up. They are fully supporting this coin, and they believe that $10 billion market cap is possible for Terra Classic coin. And with a trading volume of over $1 billion investment, people trading, buying and selling Terra Classic, they believe it can reach that level. At least LUNC have really showed that sign. They have flashed that light of hope, that light of that look, they can still bounce back with full force. And this is why Binance have continued to maintain their support. They are still fully ready to keep supporting Terra Classic LUNC. Well, let's hope for the best, and I believe with exchange like Binance, with a market cap of over $10 billion, Terra Classic will be named among the top crypto coins very soon. Remember, this on the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.